Hey guys, welcome back to a live stream that I haven't done in a while actually. It's been quite a long time since I've done a public live stream where I'm doing live trading like this. This is not recommended because we have a risk of getting liquidated because we're technically gonna be high leverage, right? And depending on how much leverage, this session could be very long or be very quick. So just tune in and let's see if you can get some maybe scalps going on in or whatever. I was trying to say, let me see here. But other than that, I mean, let's see, let's see if you can make some money. Money. I mean, yeah, we're gonna be trading Bitcoin, but we want Bitcoin to come down to our zone, okay? And that zone is still quite far away. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Okay, let's see if you can maybe get a. I just want to see how far the liquidation price is first. Okay, that's pretty close. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. That's pretty close. So probably, I think the safest for B would be 500 leverage. I mean, nothing is safe. No leverage is safe. Anything higher than ×2 leverage is extreme. It's just pure gambling. Okay, guys. Just know that. So you don't not follow, and especially like it's already dropping. Like you know, I would love for it to go a little higher. Okay, before I take a show, like at least 6 to 5 8 around that. But let's see. Let's go in 1 minute. Gonna mark this out. Actually, one more thing is, let's see if there's any entry on gold, right? We're also trading technically gold too. I mean, gold is just straight dropping though. 40. Alrighty, so thing is we can be trading gold and we can be trading Bitcoin. So let me tell you why this website is OP. Okay, so let me show you. So let's say I want to long here with $1, right? And I can cash this out, and whatever this is mine. Do you understand? Like whatever the PNL is right here, cash out. Now if you're going to close bets, right? This PNL is mine after the fees. You know what I'm trying to say? Like there's pretty much no fee. So you can have a flat fee where they'll charge you 0.04% per entry, and that'll be entry exit both at the same time. So and then you'll get more. So over here they'll take fraction of your profits, if any. So let's say if you close in loss, there's no fee. So if you close in profit, that's the only fee you're gonna get charged. So technically you're only getting charged like 10%, which is a lot. Don't get me wrong. This is why I don't recommend this website trading on. Like if you're actually with a lot of money, you want to have like where you can stop loss and profit. You cannot put stop loss and profits on this website, so it's perfect for just scalping. Other than that, you can trade gold on this as well, but for gold, I want a little bit higher as well, honestly. So I don't even think we're gonna get any entries, to be honest, right now. Yeah, gold I would love a little bit higher before we can even dabble on these entries, right? So I mean, gold is very good here too as an X. Let's say UT. See that? Wait, what? Shit. Delete that. 4069. Gold is dropping. I just want to see how far the lever. Oh, okay. Quite far. All right, let's see if you can get some entries on gold here. It's going 15 seconds. We are going to be trading with $100. All right, boys. Let's see if it goes up. We have to gonna be very aggressive on this, right? All right, let's see this, boys. So you can get a runner here. Oh shit. Yeah. Goes up, you're gonna have to sell it. So you know, especially at these high leverage entries, you have to be on top of your game. Okay. Okay. Let's take that L. That's fine. I think 700 leverage has been pretty good. So next zone is up there. So let's see a reaction up there if you even get it. If you go below this, I mean, it's another potential entry for a little bit late, but not a little bit late, but let's see here. How much? I think we just lost like $10. You see what I mean? This is what I was saying. Do not follow me. You know, because at the end of the day, you could lose, and I don't want you guys following me on high leverage entries, high leverage trading, because it's really not trading if you really think about it. It's just pure gambling, especially with times 1,000 leverage, times 700, times whatever. Anything above times 2, in my opinion, is gambling. So just be, mindful of that. And if it starts going up here, I'm gonna sell it because I think we could actually squeeze to the range high, that's what I really want for a short, for whatever we want here. But other than that, I mean, if it starts going down, I think we can actually have a really big drop here, potentially. All right. Let's see this. This is what I mean. Like on gold, it's a little bit retarded on here, ROLLBIT, is because you're not getting the same profits. Like if I was up a little bit up there, I'd probably be down like fucking, like a lot. Technically, I'm trading with $70,000 right now. So if it drops 1%, we get like $700, right? So technically, if it drops to like 40318, I'm just gonna try to see, because I think I am getting, yeah, I should average 4032. That's like $500. That should be at least 40. I think 403 time. I don't know. We'll see. But again, losing that level now, you could, if you are trading, could probably add some more there. But as you can see, it's holding at that level of support. You can maybe see a reversal. Okay. Oh wow, reaction. We're getting our reaction. Wow, I'm surprised. I'm like freaking only up like $108 when I was down $8 so fast. Very rigged stuff, ROLLBIT. Okay, again, we might have to get out again, to be honest. So just be. I think best is to trade Bitcoin, to be honest, on this shit. Every other asset is just fucking doo doo. I mean, and altcoins are very good too. Gold, especially, I think is very due to based on the volume. I think they're taking way more. It doesn't say what it is, but I think they're taking way more. Let me see here. I don't even know, to be honest. Anyway, looks like it is holding here. I mean, I don't think we're gonna get a runner, but we might. You never know, right? So, but again, you can especially why I like this website is because you can enter exit 500 times, and as long as you're not exiting in losses, because especially high leverage, you can exit in profits unless you just enter and you get liquidated. That's, then you're fucked. But that's what one of the main risk is for high leverage, right? But other than that, you can enter exit, and you'll probably only losing like cents, right? So you can have like insane amount of entries, and then you will never really have anything. Okay, one more thing here. What I need to do is, let me show you why this website's insane. I think we'll actually fuck. Gotta get on leaderboard, but we also don't want to get dicked here. So let me just see. Oh man, come on, bro. You serious? Yeah. I mean, it's fine. We'll re-enter if you get another entry position, but at the moment, I mean, you're gonna have to wait here. I don't want to just be too aggressive here. Actually, I'm not gonna enter here. We just lost like probably like what, $15 trying to scalp this here. Okay, close below here, maybe I'll get a little bit excited, but other than that, I think it's too risky. I'm not really feeling it anymore. Not really feeling it anymore, to be honest. But again, until that happens, let's check the leaderboard out. Who's popping here today? This guy short is 64.5 and $2,000 times 200 to make 14 G's. Yo, that's insane, bro. That's actually insane. Let me see this shit. So he shorted right up there. Where this is like technically the entry I gave you guys on the on Bitcoin, right? So that's insane, bro. Anyway, let's go to XAUT. As you can see, this just squeezed up a lot. Like if he did not sell, imagine we'd be fucked right now, right? Pretty much. So we'll take a short up here now because it looks like it's squeezing up to previous day equilibrium on our chart here. Actually, this is gonna be a very risky entry. We're gonna have to be very, I think, aggressive here. Let's see if it goes up there. I'm gonna sell right away. I just want to be able to trade with $100. Okay, I don't want to go below. If it goes below 100, it's gonna be very tough. Then I'm gonna have to raise my leverage even higher. So one of the main thing is, if I sell right now, this is $20 profit, like pretty much, right? So with $100, like if you're just entering a zone, you can still make like good income. For me, $100 is like just like technically on, it's nothing. Okay, so we're gonna try to see if you can actually get to $500 or something like that, you know, potentially. Maybe if Bitcoin can actually squeeze to 62,500, oh man, that would be beautiful. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna still monitor this shit, but 62,500 would be amazing. Then we got some support at 61k, so that's a good zone as well. Anchor revamp, let's go up here. Let's pull up the, yeah, it lines up with that area we want. 62.48, 500 pretty much, 62.482. So if you get that, we made right there, guys. We just made 50% profit right there, back, bop, quickly. I mean, that's technically on here. I can open a position up to $10 million, right? With high leverage, up to $1,000. I think that's my pretty much I can do. So maybe I can go like, see that I can open $7 million, bro. So that means I can leverage $10,000 times 700, which is insane, bro. Which is insane when you really think about it. And okay, so it's technically tapped over, which is still never tapped over zone here. Let me see the volume profile for gold here. Actually, what's going on here? We don't really got any support, bro. I think this is just fucked. I think this just goes. So if we got some support at 4065, so 4065.184. Okay, we got some support at 4065. It's still coming to it. I mean, as you can see right here, still coming to our support zone. We shorted up previous day equilibrium. I just have it on my other screen so it's easier for me to see and monitor. Again, $100 is $100 profit. I just want my zone to be tapped here, but you know, it might not get tapped. It's also a possibility of that. Again, lose that zone. I think we are going to go much lower. 4060 is like legit the final support here, but I'm not. These are supports like to monitor how price reacts. Look at that. 40 over here, price might be different, but over there it's still at 4066, right? Like 40. Look at that bounce to the dot. Now we just gotta wait here to see how it reacts. If it goes lower, looks like we are going lower. So it's just great to hold this trade. Let me see. The moment I see like maybe a little bit rise here, I'm gonna get the fuck out. So let's see. Let's go on 1 minute so you can see if there's any structure here that we can maybe mark out. Okay, so let's go here. We can mark this out. Shit, we can mark that out. We can mark this out. And these are like the areas that I need to take, right? And then we have some support here, and we'll mark this out. I think we just squeezed up. Shit. Let's see now. Let's see. That's I mean, wow. Like I said, 4065 we have support. I mean, this is like pretty much to the dot, right? But I do want a little bit runner. You know, on high leverage, I like holding my entries. You know, I don't really like taking profits, but because I do want a runner. I don't think I'm gonna get it, but regardless, I could technically end my stream here and just call it a day, because this is technically, again, I mean, Are they random levels though? Are they? Come on, buddy. I need you to break 4064, and I think we can actually have like a runner potentially till like 4046. Yeah. I think we have like a value area low type support here. Because 407s, we did reject heavily off the weekly, like heavily, like insane reaction. Like that was like you tapped it, went above it, closed below it. Right off when it closed below it, that was an entry, and that was like a 0.46% reaction. I mean, I think this might actually squeeze all the way to our entry. I wouldn't be surprised. But again, the reason why I'm holding is, you know, technically it did tap it, but it does look like it is making its way. Oh shit! Damn! I thought I was on 15-minute. My bad, guys. 5-minute. If it closes above it, the zone, you guys can take profit. If you guys are following me, you guys can technically take profit. I'm not taking profits because whole different, you know, reason. I just want to hold for a bigger, you know, run up here. But regardless, I mean, great zone to take profit. I mean, why wouldn't you? This is like already 100% move, right? But 100% is not enough. It's not enough. Okay, our entry is technically at the top here, and this is a 0.27. Yeah, I think this is giving us at least, like, we should at least be, I think, at $200-300 realistically. Yeah, we should actually be at $200-300 over here. We should have been at $200-300, but it gave us much less. I mean, this is what I mean. Like, there's always, but on Bitcoin, it's very good. Bitcoin, you got way more profits, but the thing is, this is a no fee trading, you know, thing, right? If you guys are going to use this website, I'll just post up my thing here in the group chat, and you guys can check that out, the referral. I mean, I don't really get anything. I don't really get any money until you guys like actual gamble on slots, which I don't do. So I don't even get any like rewards. And so technically this website, the only way I would get anything referral is if you gamble and lose, so then I get some commission. But if you're just trading, like trading, there's no, like, I don't get anything, to be honest. So technically that referral is just me, you know, referring people to the site and stuff. But other than that, I mean, yeah, it's pretty. What the fuck? I just changed the screens and all my shit disappeared. That's something for sure. Anyway. Oh man, this looks like it wants to go a little bit higher before coming back down. That's what it looks like to me, at least. One second. I think that's like a major support here, 4039. I mean, bro, if you can get 4039, that would be amazing. Amazing stuff indeed. Oh man, I guess I'm not gonna be getting a runner, boys, and we're gonna have to re-enter again. Oh, what the fuck? Sorry guys, I was not even looking. I was looking at the interesting. But again, I mean, clearly off our level. Oh shit, Bitcoin squeeze as well. I mean, I think we should go move on to Bitcoin now. But Bitcoin is actually squeezing. 1 second. This is gonna be a very tough entry on Bitcoin. But regardless, it just tapped the. Okay, let's go on Bitcoin. Let's go on BTC. Okay. Ah shit. I think I'm ready. Bro, this is. I mean, let me just 1 second, bro. I want to see how the close to liquidation price is before. No, what the fuck? 1 second. I want to see how close the liquidation price is. Oh, this is way too close. So maybe you can go like 400, 120. Yeah, this is not good. Wait, maybe we can get another entry. Yep, not good. Again, we're closing in profits, but the thing is, it does not look good. It does not look good actually. So let me see here. Maybe you can squeeze a little bit. Okay, maybe we can get an entry right there. See a structure. If we see a structure break up, then we're gonna have to sell. Okay. Because this is our zone, right? So I prefer trading Bitcoin over gold right now. Gold is just fucking ass. Like we don't get the same profits, you know what I mean? It's like very rigged. I don't know why on ROLLBIT. I love this website, but it just that kind of pissed me off. Like gold, I think maybe it's trading gold you may be more profitable compared to trading Bitcoin. Oh shit, I wasn't planning on selling there. Fuck. Oh no. Now I got a shitty entry. I just had my finger on cash out, but not really wanted to cash out. You know what I mean? Well, that's fucked. Well, unfortunately, this is gonna be a trial and error now. I think I'm gonna probably lose a lot more money before we get our proper top entry here. But let's see though. Let's see. Maybe not. Yeah, I think look at that, bro. Yeah, suspicious. Not good, boys. Not good. Not good, boys. Shit, let me see here. 1 minute is looking kind of good though. 1 minute is closing below the level that we want, 62,500, right? It closed below it. Okay, come on. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Well, no, it just finessed me. I love it, guys. This is what I mean. This is why I love high leverage sometimes. God damn it, man. I just got finessed. Oh man, I should have just held that. Anyway, let's go back here. Yeah, this is not looking good. I think it might squeeze up to like 62,500 again before coming back down. Shit. All right, let's see this. Like I legit have my finger on cash out, but the thing is, I sometimes, not some, very rare, but I actually like cashed out up there. What the fuck was I doing? Honestly, I had a very nice entry too, but. So you gotta be careful, but especially on high leverage, you have to be ready to cash out. You cannot fuck up. Like one little wick, like that wick right now is liquidation if I was shorting that, right? So, all right, let's see if you can turn this bitch into something. All right, into something. All right, daily open 62 and 290. If that can be flipped, oh man, come on, buddy, don't be fucking with me here. Okay, looks like we might actually squeeze up to 62,500. Let's see. Hopefully not, but. Regardless, if you can get 61k, that would be, oh man, that would be amazing. But again, gold. I'm glad I got a gold, because gold is just fucking being a fag right now. Come on, man. Oh, bro. Yo, why is ROLLBIT so laggy right now? It's usually not this laggy. It's pretty smooth. This is very laggy right now. I just wanted to go below this. I'm going to refresh the page because usually it's just screw. I mean, sometimes you just got to risk it. I mean, look at that. Like the moment I'm like, yo, I mean, it's a little bit better now. Can't lie. Okay, it looks like we're going to probably squeeze a little bit higher from our entry. That's totally fine. Bro, just go down. Holy shit, man. Bitcoin, you're pissing me off. Looks like it might go up. Okay, how is this? 15-minute close below the level, so maybe the next 15 probably gonna go tap it. Brother, come on, man. I see this. I just had a feeling. I mean, it was gonna do that. So let's wait for maybe the tap of that level, or it goes touch that. Okay, I'm gonna enter this. Like I think, yeah, this is not looking good. Buddy, come on. I think we're probably gonna get liquidated this session. Yeah, I just have a feeling. we are probably going to get liquidated. All right, let's see this tap of that level. Bro, what? Oh, fuck. No way. No way it does this shit. Let me see, bro. Bro, this is some straight finesse session type going on here, buddy. Bro, what? That's insane. How do I gotta monitor my thing sometimes, bro. Like, this is insane. Brother, please just close good. 15-minute close, very good. It just now, thing is, this is how you're supposed to trade. You're supposed to, let's say you got the level, you enter, no leverage, or maybe times 2 leverage, and you have at least a 1% asset stop loss. You know what I mean? 1% asset stop loss. So that means if I were to enter here, my stop loss should be way above there, way above this liquidation price, right? So when you're trading high leverage, it's gonna be trial and error, trying to get to the top entry, and you know, you're just gonna have to like maybe lose some money before you get that top entry, right? And that's legit how high leverage is. So be careful about that, you know what I'm saying? This is like real money. This is, I can take out, cash out, like I can go, oh shit, I mean, 1 second. Like I can go cash out, withdraw, I can withdraw right away in Solana and then get it to my bank right away. It's like a real account trading right now, okay? I'm not like fake trading here, but let me see here, bros. I want this to, I think this should go below it. If not, I don't think this is going to be the top area of rejection. I think the next one's probably at 63,200. And that's where it could squeeze to 63,200. Oh, man. I would not like that, though. But sometimes you might just get a runner, right? You never really know how it's going to turn out. Okay, looks like we are probably going to squeeze a little bit higher up. See, sometimes you have to be very quick. I mean, I hesitated a little bit there, and then boom, instant bigger loss. Okay. So regardless, let's see here. Yeah, I think we're probably gonna get liquidated on this session. Yeah, looks like it. Anyway, let's see, 15-minute. Maybe tap that zone once again. Come on, close below there, and I think we're gonna. Nope, no short entry still. Looks like it's higher price still, maybe below that once again, and then we might get a beautiful short entry, but I guess still not, no short entry still. Okay, maybe now over here. Okay, this is like the potential area of a short. Okay, yeah, I hesitated a little bit. Now I'm gonna get a probably shittier entry. Bro, come on, man, what are you doing? I think we're probably gonna have to raise our leverage at the point to way high, bro. Bro, why did I get a bottom entry? See how I tapped it much lower and I got like a shitty entry. Come on, man. Come on, ROLLBIT. Don't be fucking me like this. Oh, yeah, we're getting liquidated, guys. We're getting liquidated live. But this is what I mean. I started it off and I told you guys that this might happen, right? So do not follow me. Okay, guys? This is definitely always a possibility of getting liquidated. And now, after losing our whole balance, we probably... Let me see here. Yeah, it's not good. Like, the reactions, bro. This is so... Huh. I guess it looks like it wants to go a little bit higher. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get any... Maybe tap of that. Yeah, I mean, you can still make a comeback with $16, boy. This is times 1,000 leverage. All right, the final zone here will be, I mean, we did get like not a bad trade. Okay, if you were taking profits, these are like great areas to scalp. For me, I want a runner, you know. I want a runner, but at this point, the way it's looking like, I don't think it wants to give us any runners. Okay, that might be it. Nah, still not it, bro. That's insane. This is like off the anchored VWAP right now. I mean, maybe I should have just waited for that before, but I mean, like, come on, boy. This is insane. Are we gonna claim the anchored VWAP here? I think if it goes below 62,500 again on 15-minute and it close below it, I think we're probably gonna have a runner here. And I mean, we can probably potentially recover everything with one trade, but again, this is like with times 1,000. This is we're already up 100% times 1,000. But technically, what did we start off with? $125, and we pretty much blew the whole account. And that's how leverage trading is. This is how pretty much leverage trading is. And now, if you look at right here, right? 1 second. Our lever that we want to trade, right? We want to short this zone, right? This is how realistically entry should have been look like, right? Right here. Stop loss at least probably, you know, above this high at least. And then boom, target right there. Okay? To be honest, that's how I would have traded this. I mean, on an actual account, okay? This is a valid zone. Like I'm taking this short on my actual account as well. So this is a valid area as well. So just be mindful of that. 1 second. What I'm gonna do is yeah, so this is a valid zone. I mean, just be mindful of that, okay? Could come back up and test that zone, our entry zone again, to be honest, before coming back down. Previous day equilibrium did get front run, did it? Yeah, it did get front run. Let's see here, boys. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna call it here. I mean, this is like an actual entry that I technically am in my actual account as well. 1 second. Yeah, so I'm actually in my actual account on this short as well. So I'm gonna just let this run, and on my actual account, this one I'm gonna let this run too. I mean, this is like freaking $14 left, like, which is nothing. So I'm just gonna let that get liquidated. It's fine. And that 125, I grew it from a very small amount too, like $20. So I was like, you know what, might as well just go live in front of you guys and show you guys that how I'm actually doing this on the how, like, this website is OP as well, right? Very good website for other stuff. But other than that, I mean, oh, come on, man, just freaking run, bro. What are you doing? Other than that, if you can get 61K, that would be beautiful, right? I mean, yeah, so let's see. 61K is what I want, and that would be a good area for a long too. If not, go all the way down to like 59, 800 zone, weekly, daily level there as well. But other than that, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the stream. I mean, again, yeah, just be careful. So again, this is my entry point, and that's what I'm looking for. We might get stopped out. Regardless, valid entry point. If you get stopped out, we get stopped out. It is what it is, okay? It's not the end of the world. Okay, guys? I will update this. I will update you guys. I'm going to post this link, actually. See, I can share the link, and I can open this link, and then once that opens, I'll show you how it looks like. So when it opens, I'll show you like this, my live trade where I want to take profit, everything. You know what I mean? So nothing is hidden, and this entry will be posted in my money shots, I guess, and you guys can monitor over there. So other than that, yeah, I don't know if we are going to dump that low, but it's Bitcoin. It is Bitcoin. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys around. But regardless, this is already pretty. I mean, times 1,000, so I don't really count this as a valid entry of 200% move. But let's see how much of an actual move it is, because I entered on the VWAP as well, and like a compound entry, and my actual that's already a 0.3% move, which is nothing. From our actual entry 62,457, this is only a 0.14% move. 1% move will be around the VWAP, which was 61.80, and then the overall move lower. So I'm not saying we're just gonna go straight to that, but definitely a possibility. So let me put an alert at 61,900. That will be the first zone. So 61,900 right here, first zone. Okay, 61,900, and that would be, I think, yeah, recover everything pretty much over there. So but regardless, I'll see you guys around, and hopefully you guys enjoy the stream, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.